In this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass this message on linkvertise.com. So to start off, you need to disable your ad blocker. Go to your extensions and manage extensions. So once you're here, you should see if you have any ad blockers. In my case, I have AdBlock Plus. So click on disable, or you can also click on remove. When you go back to linkvertise.com and refresh the page or restart Chrome, it should start working again. Alternatively, if you still don't want any ads, you can go back to your extensions and go to Chrome Web Store. Here, you just type uBlock and go to uBlock Origin. You add this to Chrome and it should have been downloaded. So now you click on pin, go back to linkvertise and refresh your page. And as you can see, I have no ads, but I can still access linkvertise. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.